The training has already started for the 2024 season, and it's only going to ramp up. So we fly a lot in order to put on a safe, inspirational demo.
Hey everyone, it's Brittany with the AirDot Show Tour. I am here with the Blue Angels. We are here in Orlando, Destination Orlando, for the site visit. I have with Blue Angel number 8. Say hello.
Hi, how are you guys?
And Blue Angel number 7. What are you looking forward to the most here at Destination Orlando?
Oh man, it's a great area. Love the sunshine, all the people. Come out now and see if you haven't seen us before.
The weather, definitely. This is an eye-watering day. We hope we can repeat it in April.
And you saw a glimpse of our stage here. Are you excited to step out on the stage
We are. We've
here?
heard a lot about the stage, so we're very excited.
So we want to invite all of you to come out April 20th and 21st, AirDot Show Tour, Destination Orlando.